this trailer got shifted in the hustle. I can't get a truck in here on it. It's too wide to go between that gap, and it's cockeyed because it got bumped when I was loading out some other stuff. So I can't get a truck in here on that ball very well. I'm gonna see if this here skid steer will pull this, get this trailer out so I can use it. Good afternoon. I got done with my yards. Now I'm back here working on this project. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that hitch out. Even though the trailer sits level technically with that hitch, because it's just a real low trailer, it's got an indexing drop torsion axles, so you can drop it as much or as little as you want, and this is the way I got it. It was already dropped like that. You can caulk the arm around on the torsion beams and then, you know, reset it to straight lateral or 45, or if you did 90 then you wouldn't have any suspension really. Okay, but anyway, even if you can't tell it by the but out on the road, this hitch setup puts the truck or the trailer dead level when you're on concrete. But I don't want it necessarily dead level because I don't want to catch tongue on something and have it gouge in. I'd rather drag the back. And also I'm going to be loading and unloading without ramps, so I'd rather have it a little bit high in the front, and then that way when I start putting tongue weight on. Now I don't have airbags on the back of this truck yet, and that'll help too. But so I'm going to switch out hitches, and I think that'll make it better. And then I'm going to give it a test pull. If everything seems good, I might go get some new tires for this trailer and go see about doing some work with this. All right, so I can load without the ramp, but the question is, I went from an 8-inch drop to a 5.5-inch drop on a hitch. I think I need to find the 6-inch drop. I'm afraid it's gonna drag. I mean, if I put more tongue weight on it, then I would get less drag on the back. I like that I can load without ramps, but I could do that with the 8-inch drop even. But if I keep pushing tongue weight without the airbags on the back of this truck, then I'm gonna have problems that way. Well, I'm just gonna pull it and see what happens, just around the block. And if it works out, then I'll get new tires for that trailer. All right, I'll catch you later.